another video. It is officially May and I'm so excited about the warmer days. It is also my birthday and my sister's birthday. One of my sisters, my middle sister, asked me to make her a underboob corset. I've never made a corset. I have made a pattern for it, but I've never done the boning part. So that's going to be very interesting. This video is going to include some boning, some pattern making with specific measurements. Start by writing down her measurements. This is going to be in centimeters. So I'm just writing this down to have it on the paper that I'm sketching on. This has seam allowance included already, so it's going to be a little bit bigger. So I'm going to place the middle, like the center, 1 centimeter from the paper, because that's the seam allowance. And then we can see, I think it could be a little bit smaller, just because the way it is right now, it fits me, and my sister is skinnier than me, so maybe I'll have to cut a little bit from the sides. No, but actually, sorry, I'm confused. Actually, we are cutting these apart, obviously. And then we'll have, no, but it's added already. No, sorry, back to what I said before. Seam allowance is included already. So the seam allowance between these pieces is included already as well. So it could actually be a little smaller. That's my latte art. I made this costume that is on the wall right here. I will insert a picture where we used a strap of that fabric. And then we made this, it's only a part of it. We have this fabric, looks like this. It has this tan, kind of, a little bit of like a skin color. And my sister asked for an eggshell, kind of like beigey color. So I think putting this, I have this white fabric which is pretty stiff, which I think is good for a corset if it has a little bit more shape to it and is like stiff and not as flexible. And then I think if I put this on top of here and it's obviously stretched out, it might give kind of like this eggshell color. It's a little bit more pinky than eggshell. My sister and I are both very big on sustainability, and since these are rests that I have, I really want to use this and not buy anything new. And I think it's a perfect amount of fabric for that and the perfect project to use these scraps and this stiffer white material. This is double layered and this is also double layered, so I can just cut all pieces right away. So this is definitely harder to work with, also because it's stretchy, and usually for a corset you don't use like stretchy materials. Right now it looks like a won't plaster. It's going to be only one. I have 2 of the white corsets and then 1 of the nylon corset. I bought this polyester boning material. breakdowns later. I think I can finally turn around this corset. It looks like this. So, why is it so much like too big?